Oh, let's see here. I guess we need to work on this. Oh, hi, y'all. Boy, y'all good at sneaking up on me. I tell you what. Anyway, I'm working on the next video, which is Yellville to Cotter. Okay? Uh, Yellville flipping to Cotter, or whatever you want to call it. Anyway, went from the little barbecue joint and ran on down to Cotter to the kayak place, Ozark Mountain Trading Company. And a couple of real nice guys, the owner and a gentleman that helps him out with the business. Uh, anyway, uh, these are just a couple of still shots my wife shot while we was in the the store. I was at their computer looking up something for them that they may had at the other store, and was reading the description on it. And my wife took these pictures, and a gentleman came in, and I directed him over to the owner of the business to for him to get taken care of. Anyway, my wife says that I was looking for a job all day long, but no, I don't want another job. Thank you. Well, maybe if it was fun to be at and, good times, I may consider it. But anyway, you actually gotta, I guess, watch the other video of us in Yellville. And then, this is just a quick still shot, of, at the kayak store. All right. I hope y'all enjoy. Talk to y'all later. Bye. Oh, before y'all run off there, hold up, stop a minute. Before y'all run off there, y'all be sure and hit that subscribe button. And if you would like notifications, hit that notifications buttons. And always, please give me a thumbs up, even though I'm not worth a thumbs up. I realize that, but I'm trying. All right? So, thank y'all. Have a good day.